Hello everyone, my name is Mubeen, the tech support here at Arani. Today we're going to talk about the V3 gimbal. It's a product that is mainly used in residential and commercial projects. And yeah, let's have a look. So the gimbal is an 8-watt fixture that has an input voltage of 110 to 130 volts AC. The operating temperature of the fixture is -20 to 40 degrees Celsius. It is available in white, black, or in brushed nickel, and it weighs 1.9 pounds. It is for indoor use only. It has a tilt of 35 degrees, IC rated, and dimmable. The case pack quantity is 40, and trims are available in 3 or 4 inch, sold separately. In the junction box, it includes 3 push-in connectors. The wires are exposed, meaning that you can choose whichever connector you prefer. Just like a regular pot light, it is CCT variable, and to power it on, you connect the driver to the power source and the driver to the fixture. If you'd like to know more about installing this fixture, please go on the product page on our website. You will find a step-by-step guided visual breakdown. Visit arani.ca because you deserve great service.